Hey guys, Chad here, C&D Garage Toys. We'll try to keep this video short. So when I bought my Compass, one of the things I did not like was the auto start stop. I don't think my car should turn off whenever I pull up to a stoplight. Just my preference, probably old school, I don't know. So anyways, I just didn't like it. So I went through, kind of done a little Googling and stuff like that, trying to figure out what I could do, and what I came up with was what I'm about to show you. So let me flip the camera around here and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so what I came up with was this connector here ties in with the battery, and what this is a voltage sensor that senses the voltage of your battery. It has a connector here that ties into the back of it, and what that does is if your battery voltage is low, your car will not shut off, because if you're sitting at a stoplight, you don't want your car to shut off and not be able to restart. So it senses that battery voltage, and if it's low, it won't turn the car off. A prime example of this would be is if you leave your car parked for a while and it has all the electrical stuff in it that runs naturally, like your clock and other stuff that ties in there. So if it sets long enough, it drains that battery voltage down just a little bit. Well, if you'll notice, if that ever happens, you'll drive around and the auto start stop won't kick out, and it may flash a message up on the dash that says low voltage, and it just won't work. So that's basically what this does. This is basically telling my computer that my battery is just low voltage, not to turn off. So I went ahead and I unplugged that connector. It's just a little snap connector. Just push that piece in, pull that piece out. I wouldn't let that wire fall down in there. Just you might lose it, might not find it again. So I just zip tied mine off there with a loose connection. So anyways, when you come around here and you go into the car, let me get situated here. It's going to come up on the dash, and it will, when you start it, it'll come up there with a message that says auto start stop disabled. So, and then also too, this light right here will come on. Now this light will stay on. Obviously that light is because my hood is still open. So, but this auto start stop light will stay on. Now, if you're one of those people that freak out about lights and stuff like that, then this mod may not be for you. So me, myself, the little light doesn't bother me because I know exactly what that little light is telling me, that my auto start stop is disabled, which is what I'm looking for. So, but as far as that goes, whenever I get down here to my light, spin this around here, my switch down here, if I push my switch still works, but that does not affect my auto start stop up here. So that's just a quick little thing for anybody that has a Compass that does not like the start stop. So you just kind of take it with a grain of salt. I have not had any problems with mine, so that's not saying that you're not going to disconnect yours and your whole car is going to blow up. No, I'm just kidding. That won't happen. But anyways, that's just a quick little tip in case you get tired of pushing the auto start stop. Yep, that's a little rag. I just keep one in there in case I need to check the oil sometime. Just a nice little tight place to put it. Keep a rag in there. So anyways, that's my tip. Just go ahead and unplug that connector out of the back side right there, pull it out, tie it off somewhere. You can always tie it off to this bolt down here or someplace else, but that will eliminate your auto start stop. So, but that will take care of that problem. So hopefully that'll help somebody, and you guys can keep driving your Compass and not have to worry about the auto start stop. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and comment. All my parts that I use, or the ones that I get off Amazon and stuff, I do have links in the description below. So you can click on them links and check those out, and you know, order anything on there that I have on my Compass, like my wheel spacers, the lift kit. I've kind of varies being on there and stuff. So, but anything I've ordered off Amazon, you know, will be on there. But I'm always try to be pretty quick to respond to comments and stuff like that. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. So anyways, we'll catch you guys on the next video, and we'll talk to you later.